What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ace coming back at you with another one. So today I got an unboxing for y'all, man. This is a sneaker that I've been waiting for quite some time to cop. I had always had opportunities before, but if they were for a good price, the seller would always have there would be a small defect or a flaw with them. So anytime they were in mint condition, the seller would always want more than what I was willing to pay. So patience is key, man. I waited on these shoes after I've been waiting for them for a hot minute, you know, scoping them out. They've been under the microscope for a hot minute, so I finally go ahead and just bam, shot that trigger, you know what I'm saying? But listen, I got the shoes off of GOT, man. So if y'all do not have a GOT account, check out GOT. Get yourself an account, because the thing is, I wear all my sneakers, you know what I'm saying? So I don't mind getting a used pair of shoes. As long as somebody's nasty, stanky, sweaty feet ain't been in them things for too long, I'm all about taking them off your hands if it's for a steal, because you never know what somebody's willing to sell the shoes for. If I could tell that you ain't worn them for no more than a week, I'll grab them if they're a good price. But yeah, man, dude wanted $240 because there was no box. So I'm not usually this type of dude, because I hate when people do this to me. But to be real with you, I lowballed the shit out of him. I lowballed the shit out of buddy. I shot him a bid for $160. And never would I have guessed that, you know what I'm saying, that bid would have got taken. I figured, you know, we'd just start a little bidding war. Someone come outbid me, we'll go back and forth. And then, you know, may the best man win. But 2 days goes by, nobody outbid me. Boom, I get a random notification out of nowhere telling me that my bid's been accepted. So I got these shoes for 160 yucks, man. So let's go ahead and see what these things are, man. See what we're working with here. And by the way, man, have y'all ever heard of pre-verified shit from GOT? This sneaker was not, it was already pre-verified. It was already at GOT. As soon as my bid got accepted, they were on the way to me. You know what I'm saying? They had shipped them out straight to me. They didn't have to go to GOT and then to me. See, the reason they said, listen, I'm confused now, because the reason they were only $240 was because they didn't have a box. And bam, I got a box with them. And that's the right box too. That's definitely the right box. That's weird. I figured that's the only reason that they were going for so cheap, is because they didn't have a box. Yo, look at the condition of these shoes. Bam. Toro Bravo 4s, 160 yucks. Look at the condition of these shoes, bro. Oh my god. No, those are literally DS shoes. I'm trying to scope in on that thing for y'all, man. Look at those. Bro, those are DS sneakers. There ain't not a crease in them. There ain't no sock lint in them. All the branding still on the insole. Yo, there's literally no signs of wear. I mean, you can see it definitely, okay, they're not DS. They look like they were probably worn maybe one time. And I'd say for a short period of time. Let me check out this other shoe real quick. Look at that. DS Toro Bravo 4s for $160, man. Y'all check out GOT. I'm telling you, bro. You never know what somebody's gonna do when they're desperate for money. You know what I'm saying? You never know how anxious somebody is to get off whatever they got. And the reason I say that is I got a pair of Atmos One, the Air Max Elephant pack, the elephants, for I got those for like $350, $370. Those go for almost $600. So, well, that's a steal in my opinion. So you never know what somebody's willing to go ahead and sell their shoes for. Damn, bro, these things even look like they're still factory laced. Look at those. No sock in either shoe. Great condition sneaker, man. Like I said, man, if y'all don't have a GOAT account, definitely go ahead and get you one. Because there's some steals and deals on GOAT, man, for real. $160 Toro Bravo 4s, man. I've been waiting for this shoe for a hot minute, bro. Like I said, if y'all seen any of my other videos, you know 1s, 4s, and 11s are my favorite sneakers. And this was one of those 4s where I'm like, man, what do I do? Do I wait? And patience is key, man. Waiting finally paid off. And what's crazy is I had a bid that got accepted the day before that for my second pair of the 2016 white cements. Because my first ones they're beat to death. So I ordered another pair. And on GOAT, they got 48 hours to confirm the sale, and they didn't confirm it, so they refunded me my money, and boom, not even 24 hours later this sale goes through. So I'm glad that first sale got canceled, man, because I've really been waiting for a pair of these shoes right here for a minute. So that wouldn't have happened if that other sale didn't get canceled. But anyhow, your boy's got more content coming soon. The only thing is, man, I try to be different, you know what I'm saying? If you guys have peep game, you see a lot of YouTubers out here, they'll bite off each other, you know what I'm saying? You'll see one person do like, what can $100 buy me here? Da, 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 da. Then you'll see 5 other people do the same shit. Or top shoes for winter, you know what I'm saying? Top back to school shoes. You'll see a lot of people biting off each other. They'll just be doing shit in their own little like format, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I try to keep it unique, try to stay 100, and just do things that I would naturally do myself. You know what I'm saying? Not be stealing people's ideas. So if y'all do want to see any other type of content, like apparel stuff, because you know it's not always about shoes for me. I'm a huge sneakerhead. I love shoes, but I cop a lot of apparel too, man. And so if y'all want to see like apparel videos and any type of like workout stuff, man, y'all just let me know, bro. I'm pretty versatile, though. I can do whatever, man. But like I said, I do got more content coming soon, so hit that subscribe button, push them post notifications, and hit that thumbs up one time for your boy. So on that note, I'm gonna get up out of here. Until the next one, y'all be easy, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace. And check out GOAT. I'm telling you, steals, deals. I'm telling you now. All right, y'all.